banged up. Doesn't feel like there's anything in it. Like, maybe there's stuff in it. Doesn't feel like there's anything for, protect it, rather. Okay. Definitely have seen boxes. It's very flimsy. Very dirty for something that is supposed to be like new. Oh my gosh. Are you freaking kidding me? These are 100% used, old. Are you freaking kidding me? That's my O-ring. This is their old ones. These are so old. There's no way these are even remotely new. Son of a gun. They took their ones off of their truck and sold me their old ones. Look at that amount of rust. These are not